Assalamualaikum. My today's tutorial class is on linking verbs and action verbs. Definitely to know about linking verbs and action verbs is of great importance for learning English. Okay, now let's start. First of all, we'll discuss linking verbs. In the definitions of linking verbs, we see the verbs making a link between the subjects and the more information about itself given in the predicative expressions in the sentence are called linking verbs. In short, it can be said the verbs which makes a links between the subjects and its complements in the sentence is the linking verb. Here are some important tips about linking verbs to be remembered. Linking verbs connect the subjects of a sentence with the subject complements. These subject complements may be adjective, noun, or descriptive phrase. Linking verbs have no actions in a sentence. Linking verbs explain a state of being, a result, or one of the five senses. Linking verbs do not have an object. Linking verbs express a complementative link existing between the subjects and the complement in a sentence. Here are some examples of linking verbs. The first one, Dhaka is the capital of Bangladesh. In this sentence, Dhaka is the subjects, the capital of Bangladesh, its complements, and this complement describes Dhaka. Each verb links Dhaka with its complements the capital of Bangladesh. So each verb is a linking verb here. The second example, the man looks very smart. In this sentence, the man is the subject and very smart its complements, which explain the man. And looks verb has made a link between the subject, the man, and its complements very smart. So looks verb functions here as a linking verbs. The third example, the rose smells sweet. Here the rose is the subject and sweet its complement, which explains the rose. And smells verb links the subject rose with its complement sweet. So smells is a linking verb here. Again, in the second and third examples, the birds looks and smells may be replaced with be verbs, and in this case, no change in meaning of these sentences is found at all. Like this, the other linking verbs can be replaced with be verbs. Here is a list of linking verbs: be, become, seem, appear, feel, grow, look, remain, smell, sound, probe, stand, stay, indicate, go, fall, get, come, taste, act, and turn. I think the memorizations of this list would be very helpful for the English language learner. Let's go to the action verb. The single word verbs describing what a person or thing in a sentence does are called action verb. To find out the action verb in a sentence, we have to ask ourselves what the subject does. Then the verb we get is the action verb. Here are some examples of action verbs. The first example, Mr. Bella speaks English fluently. Here if you ask what Mr. Bella does, then the answers we get he speaks English fluently. So he speaks is functions here as an action verb. The second example, my mother makes cakes for us. Here we get the answer makes verbs by asking the questions in the same way. So makes verb is an action verb here. The third example, Shamin gives fertilizers to the plants. If we ask the questions what Shamim does, we get the answer is gives fertilizers to the plants. So gives is an action verb. Like this, work, catch, tease, say, pay, think, play, see, fly, etc. belong to action verbs. I think these discussions of linking verbs and action verbs will be very helpful for learning English. Please subscribe and like my channels to get the next videos as soon as they will be uploaded. And give your comments to inform me of what kind of videos on English language you need. Thank you very much.